Whereas Uthi, these people don't know Uthi. They yabona force is not a way to deal with abantu abahluphekayo. Abantu abahluphekayo fanele ubanikeze into abayifunayo, banikeze inkululeko, ubanikeze lezo zinto ezincane abayidingayo ngoba they are not too much. Then you see ukuthi yini ebenze baba yi-timing bomb, because as much as into kaNcamalala have angered the people of South Africa, the people of South Africa has been on a lockdown for quite some times. And the people of South Africa, they have been poor. And the majority of the youth has been unemployed for a very long time. Graduate or no graduate, no employment. The people that are employed, they are earning nothing. The life is expensive. They were a timing bomb. Timing bomb. When the matter of Babu Zuma comes out, it went out of proportion as a result of hunger and starvation. Even myself, as I'm speaking, sometimes people speak in their full stomach on behalf of hungry people. Even myself, as I'm speaking, I'm hungry. Don't have anything. I only have myself and the voice and the mind to speak. So now I've been threatening to be arrested as a result of Uthi. I must allow myself to be a victim of the people we have voted for in terms of being victorious. The people that we have been voting for, and they're supposed to give a light and a life to us. Instead, they want to treat us like zombies in cove, where we have no voice, where we have no opinion, where we just clap hands for our leaders, then we agree to anything. When we complain, we've been giving 350 Ghanaians only, where Mali or 350 nakon. So then it become a social welfare state which go back to the private sector, because the person that earn 350 and earn the child support immediately go back to Spa and social and ShopRite and everywhere the white people own. We don't hate them, as I said yesterday. But how can someone like Bheki Cele, where we are looking for a solution, then the person that seems to be influential to the public like me, he attempt to prosecute them and to arrest them. Instead of us getting together and speak one voice, they're supposed to call me if they're smart enough to say, come here, come here. Because I don't hate them. They don't owe me anything. They owe my freedom. We vote for them. They owe my wealth. They owe me everything. They owe my share to the white people that are owning 100% economy of this country. That's all we're crying for. Can you imagine if the hotels, the ShopRite checkers and everything, that every black person, 5 or 3 of them, they got those liquor shares. They should have protected everything and every economy of this country. Where what they own, they protect and they love it. Now, we are just being victim. It's sad. It's sad. We are looking the solution where it's not. This is long overdue. We need change now. We need economy now. We need Zuma free now. We are not stupid. But them, they are sending soldiers. They are declaring a war that will kill everyone that exists in this country. The minority people, those who will survive, then it will belong to them. So where are we going? Where are opposing parties in this country? Where are they? Are they also benefiting in this mess? Where are they? They're supposed to do what they have done in coronavirus. Was the first time to arrive in this country. They all get together, irregardless of sweating each other in parliament and misunderstanding, but they've all get together and make sure that we confront the invisible enemy that was attacking our nation, that we were never invited it. We understood, we set on lockdown. First experience ever we had in our land. Now, we are facing something similar. A revolutionary, a freedom fighter has been arrested for the first time after a long cases that has sent to him, to attempt to send to him in jail, failed and still pending. But they find a way to compromise him. Then they expect us to clap hands when we cry. No, cry the other way, not this way. Where we are, my brother, where we are, my brother, where we are, where we are, where we are, where we are. We have no opinion, where we are. I never call myself president. I think Bheki Cele is stupid. I don't fear him. I respect him. I'm attacking him as a result of I vote for him to be where he is. He's supposed to serve me. Claro. When he do right, I will smile and clap hands. But when he arrest me, does he solve any problem? When he hear me speaking, he think I'm stupid. He think he's gonna kill me and things become normal. Even if he does so, I know the next generation will fight until they get rid of them.